don't forget, don't forget. Sit. Good girl.
Sit. Good girl.
I said
Hi.
Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Man, look at that.
You like this?
Oh, yeah.
Get your ass back.
I can't talk right now.
News story of Major League Baseball popped late last night. There had been a lot of talk about how the rosters were going to be put together in the big leagues at the end of this month.
Are you gonna get up?
Oh, no, thank you. I'm snoozing.
But it's 10 o'clock.
I actually don't care what time it is.
The greatest gift you could receive while on this earth is a dog as a best friend. Forgiving, loving, and forever loyal.
How did I go from this to this?
Jackson, you're getting hungry. Are you getting hungry?
Dad?
My mom said I make her feel uncomfortable because I violate her personal space. It was a really hurtful thing to say and completely ruined our bath.
broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
You're a gummy guy.
That's a good girl.
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit. Do you want to go for a walk? Should we go to the grocery store? Do you want to go look for squirrelies?
What is this place?
This is heaven.
Running. What the fuck are you running for? Somebody chasing you or something? Oh fuck, we're chasing him.
Salagadoola, metricaboola, bibbidi bop.
I am a victim of a hate crime.
That's not what a hate crime is.
Well, I hated it a lot.
Okay. Are you trying to make me a chalice? Uh-huh. Yeah. So you're just not going to chew it, just to make her jealous.